patients, we like to do nutritional analysis. So we order something called the NutriVal, and that gives us a comprehensive review of all the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, essential fatty acids, how your gut functions, because this needs to work because of the biochemistry of your body. Unfortunately, how does malnutrition contribute to cancer? So, for example, if you're deficient in vitamin C, you probably, which is one of your major antioxidants and helps your immune system won't work. So also if you're deficient in magnesium is involved in over 400 chemical reactions in your body. Let's say you're deficient in lipoic acid. Lipoic acid is one of your major antioxidants, and that neutralizes the chemicals that are into your body. And so when patients have malnutrition, their own body can't take care of themselves and fight the things, the influences that are affecting their body each and every day. So every cell in your body is functioning with that perfect milieu of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. Your immune system is a function of the entire array of all your nutrients. And every single disease is related to the functionality of your immune system.